Hello student of class 12, this is the continuation part of the previous video vector algebra. Now I am going to start direction cosine. Direction cosine. If a vector equal to xi plus yj plus zk, then direction cosine equal to scalar component of a cap, that is unit vector. What is a cap? I know a cap equal to vector A by magnitude of vector A. Here A equal to xi plus yj plus zk, and modulus of a vector, that is x square plus y square plus z square. I can write it in this way. In this way, this is the scalar component, this is the scalar component, this is scalar component along x-axis, this is the scalar component along y-axis, this is the scalar component along z-axis. I denote it by L and it by M and it by N. Okay. If vector A makes an angle alpha, beta and gamma with positive x-axis, with positive direction of x-axis, y-axis and z-axis respectively, then L equal to cos alpha, M equal to cos beta and N equal to cos gamma. A makes an angle alpha, beta, gamma with the direction of positive x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Now I draw a picture. This is the vector A. This is x-axis, this is y-axis and this is z-axis. Okay, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is z-axis. Vector A makes positive direction of x-axis, this is alpha. This vector makes in y-axis beta, and this vector makes with z-axis, this vector will make z-axis equal to, this is z-axis, z-axis equal to gamma. Is it clear? Vector is this vector makes an angle alpha with positive direction of x-axis, makes angle beta with positive direction of y-axis and makes angle gamma, this is z-axis, angle gamma with positive direction of z-axis. Okay, this is z-axis, z bar, x dash, y dash. then I can write L equal to x by root over x square plus y square plus z square. This is the scalar component along x-axis. This equal to cos alpha. M equal to y by root over x square plus y square plus z square equal to cos beta, and n equal to z by root over x square plus y square plus z square equal to cos gamma. So I can write cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma. This is equal to 1. That is x square by this plus y square by this plus z square by this equal to 1. That means L square plus m square plus n square, this is equal to 1. I can write two formulas from here. These are related to direction cosine. Angle with cos, that is cos angle, that means direction cosine. At what angle? Question is at what angle I plus j plus k, that means one vector, is inclined with coordinate axes. Let solution, let vector A equal to I plus j plus k and A cap equal to I plus j plus k by root over 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, that is equal to I plus j plus k by root 3, that is 1 by root 3 I plus 1 by root 3 j plus 1 by root 3 k. I can write it in this way: this equal to L, this equal to M, this equal to N. This is the scalar component of A cap. Here question is inclined with at what angle this vector inclined with coordinate axis. That means here cos alpha equal to 1 by root 3, cos beta equal to 1 by root 3 and cos gamma equal to 1 by root 3. That means cos alpha equal to cos beta equal to cos gamma, that is alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. So equal angle, that means the vector equally and inclined with at what angle this vector inclined with coordinate axis. Since alpha equal to beta equal to gamma, then I can go to the conclusion that given vector is equally inclined with x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Okay. Here one thing you see, L square plus m square plus n square, this is equal to 1 by root 3 square plus 1 by root 3 square plus 1 by root 3 square. This is equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. This is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 3, that is equal to 3 by 3 equal to 1. And cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equal to 1. Since this is equal to 1, so I can write this. Since alpha equal to beta equal to gamma, then I can write cos square alpha equal to 3 cos square alpha equal to 1 and cos alpha equal to 1 by root 3. And therefore alpha equal to cos inverse 1 by root 3. This is equal to beta, this is equal to gamma. Okay, this is equal to beta and this is equal to gamma. So what angle? Angle is cos inverse 1/3. Equally inclined, this vector inclined with x-axis with cos inverse 1 by root 3. This vector inclined with y-axis with angle cos inverse 1 by root 3, and similarly this vector is inclined with z-axis by cos inverse 1 by root 3. I am ending here. The next video will come soon.